dry form backbone millers. As a drying technology, we are emphasizing about 10 different dryers here actually, from manufacturing and designing. And one of the most popular dryer is a paddle dryer, where we have supplied more than 50 paddle dryers for various applications. The main function was for the sludge drying actually. The sludge coming from the chemical plant, from the textile, from the pharma. So there are different types of sludges actually. ATP sludge, then we have got a biological sludge, and of course then chemical sludge. So every sludge has a different properties. Accordingly, we are designing and supplying the dryers actually. In our drying system, generally we have got a very low RPM and lowest power consumption as compared to the conventional dryers being manufactured. Also, the steam consumption ratio to the vapor is 1.2 approximately. So sludge drying has become more requirement for the industry nowadays because the calorific value of the sludge is about close to 3000 kilocalorie per kg. So disposal of the sludge has got a more cost actually involved. So drying becomes a more reasonable option, and the dried sludge having calorific value about 2800 to 3000 kilocalorie per kg can be burned in the boilers actually, and most of the industries are doing this way actually. So there is a disposal cost has come down, and we are using the CV of the dried sludge for the boiler actually. So this is a number of dryers we have supplied for this sludge drying. Additionally, I want to mention that for Raymond Limited near Nagpur, we have supplied one drying system for the sludge, where we have used the flue gas from the boiler at about 140-degree temperature, and that is being used as a heating medium for the sludge, and we are bringing down the temperature to 75 degrees centigrade. So as for the psychometric share, there is no condensation inside the dryer actually. And the scrubbing, in the wet scrub, we got fine particles. The fine particles which are being disposed from the flue gas are being trapped in the wet scrubber actually. And so overall drying cost is almost nil. So we have got a very low power consumption for this drying system, and no energy is required. So I want to mention that all the industries should look into this option actually. So typically steam or hot oil is being used for the drying, but flue gas option can be used, and it is successfully commissioned by us, and it is working in the Raymond for more than 1 year now. So my request is that this option should be explored more in the industry for the future advantages. So thank you.